Yes.
Hi,
Hi.
I'm Sangam from Starbits magazine. We have an interview scheduled with you today.
Oh, yes. Please come in.
Sure. So, shall we start now? So, Joanna, tell me something about your past. Tell me something about you. Like, what is your education? A bit about your background. अपने बारे में कुछ बताइए.
I am from Goa. And if you need to know about my education, I must tell you, I was a very good student, excellent at studies. I am an MBA. अपने इन्हीं क्रेडेंशियल्स और क्वालिफिकेशंस के दम पे मैं मुंबई आई. सपनों का शहर. सोचा था नाम रोशन करूंगी. बस एक जॉब मिलने की देरी थी. But then I realized good academic background wasn't good enough to secure a good job in a place like Mumbai. और वैसे भी मैं मिडिल क्लास फैमिली बैकग्राउंड से थी. So I lost out to people who had influence to get these jobs.
Tell me about your past. How did you become what you are now? How was your first experience?
I took up a job in a cafe. Of course, I had to do something to meet my both ends meet. And there, I was approached by Madam Rachel, a regular cafe customer. She just gave me her visiting card और उन्होंने मुझे एक ऐसा ऑफर दिया जिसने मेरी लाइफ को पूरी तरह बदल दिया.
I'm Rachel, owner of the Pink Club.
Well, Rachel, it's really good to see you. May I know what is this Pink Club is all about?
Well, it's basically a strip club where the elite comes to unwind themselves.
What? And what kind of job you have in your mind for me?
Of course, of a stripper. Come on.
I don't think so I can do something like that. This is immoral.
Well, right, wrong, sahi, galat, it's matter perspective. Look, Joanna, you're not meant for 9 to 5 job, a job of a waitress. Look at you. You've got such a beautiful body. And your beauty is your power. Use it to your advantage, yeah. People will pay through their noses to see the beautiful women like you. Rest is up to you.
I think I can do that.
Really? That was quick. I didn't expect that. Well, that's great. In that case, let's see what you've got.
Now?
Yes. Come on. Sell yourself to me. Show me your best moves. Think of me as your new customer. Come on, Joanna. तुम्हें किसी ने punishment नहीं दिया है. Your dance and your performance has to be seductive, tantalizing. I know you can do it.
Come on, you can do it. Come on.
Look, if you're unsure about it, कि लोग क्या कहेंगे, लोग क्या सोचेंगे, then think one more time.
It's now or never. I have to take a stand for myself now. Coming back to your question, the damage was done. if you want to call it that. In my words, the deal was sealed.
That's interesting. I want to know, because there are so many rumors going around in the industry, that are you a lesbian or and you don't have to answer it if you're not comfortable. I just thought to include my questionnaire.
No. Let's get controversial. स्ट्रिपर्स की लाइफ तो अपने आप में ही एक सॉलिड स्टोरी है. तो एक और एंगल से ही, ये ग्लैमर की दुनिया बस एक शो ऑफ है. यहाँ वही दिखता है जो दिखाया जाता है, ना कि जो सच है. जो दिखता है वो होता नहीं, और जो होता है वो दिखाया नहीं जाता. That was just a rumor that had been spread intentionally to avoid people, to stalk me or bother me or to make any kind of emotional connection with me. I had to maintain that I was a lesbian.
Okay. So, Joanna, I want to ask you about your personal life. Is there any romantic partner you have, a lover or a boyfriend?
So every girl desire for a man, marriage and family. I'm no different. मेरी लाइफ में भी कोई था जिसके साथ मैंने अपना फ्यूचर देखा. But after working as a stripper, I realized he deserves better. Much better.
So, Joanna, would you ever go back to normal life if you ever got a chance?
Normal life is like a dream for me. I feel like just a body whose soul has been numb. और वैसे भी हमारे प्रोफेशन में इमोशंस को मेकअप के पीछे छुपाया जाता है. The less you know, the better. हाँ, I have to go for an event. They must have been waiting already. By the way, thank you so much for interviewing me and letting me speak my heart out.
Same from my side, and it was great interviewing you.
Yeah.
And it was really nice interviewing you.
He is now married to the girl of his parents' choice. I'm happy for him. We both made sacrifices, but in our own ways. Whatever it is, my emotions must remain concealed behind my makeup.